So this is what I've done. I got this, it's like a drain cleaner, but I'm using it as my wire pass, and then I've already threaded in a bolt there. So what I did is I removed the cover there, the heat shield that's protecting the tank for the DEF fluid. As you can see, all the hoses are there, and I loosened the whole exhaust system. So now I have to pass the bolt and the carriage plate, which is this plate here and the bolt. So these two have to go in there through the hole, and so that's why you need like a fishing. So these two have to go in together. You need some fishing wire, but I didn't have fishing wire, so I improvised. I got this thing from the 99-cent store to clean your drain. Just cut the top off, and that's my fishing wire. Anyway, it has worked, and I've managed to put that in. So I'm gonna do it for the other side. I'll just leave my phone here. You can see what I'm doing. So, as you can see, it's gonna go in like that. So this works. Let me finish this in there. As you can see, I have to put this plate in there. And there you go. I just put it in there, and I thread it through. Works pretty well, actually. Everything's about improvising. There you go. So I hope you saw that. So now I got the two bolts in there, and so I'm gonna put in that attachment for the hitch. I'll show you later how it looks like.